Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So recently I've ordered some LED strip light, and I just wanted to show you guys like how it came and how it looks after I installed it and stuff in my living room. So I got two strips of light. It's pretty much a kit that it comes like. So they give you these two LED strips. Um and these you could like stick around on your wall or wherever you want to stick it. This thing is pretty much like an adapter that will be connected to the power card, which is the black card that I'm holding right now, and it pretty much connects the power card to the LED strips. So you plug the power adapter into the white adapter, and then from the white adapter to the LED cards, that's the LED cords. So that's how you get the lights and stuff. So now I'm just showing you guys um, how it will be connected to the LED cord. And on this white adapter thingy, it has like two arrows on the ends, both the end of the LED cord and the adapter. So I think you're supposed to line them up. That's what I did before. It wasn't going in, and then I realized there's two small arrows on them. So you need to make sure the arrows are aligned, like right opposite each other, whatever. And then after I plug it in um the power cable, and then obviously you plug it into like your extension, your outlet, or whatever. So I think I'm gonna show you guys how it's working right now. So that's how it's looking just by plugging it in. And this is the remote that it comes with. You could change it to whatever color you want: red, green, blue, pink, whatever color you want, you could change it. Also, a good thing about plugging it in is pretty much you want to test it to make sure it is actually working, because you don't want to install it and then after you're done, that's when you realize it's not working. So that's literally where you have to point I think it's almost like a sensor. So you have to point it towards the remote or get close enough to it to change the lights. And yeah, that's how, you change the lights and stuff. I think I'm gonna be showing you guys how you actually stick it to the wall. So the LED strips themselves, it comes with a sticky area. So you literally, all you have to do is just peel off the area, which is what I'm showing you right now. So right there, all you have to do is just peel off the area and stick it to whatever surface you want, whether it's around your wall or on my coffee table like I did. I said around my coffee table, but around a coffee table like I did. And I'll be showing you guys how it looks exactly after I installed it. Okay, so I ended up just putting it under my coffee table, like that. But because the adapter is like right here, because it's right here, I couldn't figure out a way how to connect the next one to here without it running across the floor and whatnot, going across. Like I couldn't figure out how to do it. So what I did was I just wrapped it up. So I still have the next one inside, but what I'm going to try to do is get one of these adapters. I'm actually gonna buy so I'm actually gonna buy a separate one, and I'm going to try either I'm gonna put it so either I'm going to put it in my makeup room. I'm actually going to try to get a next one from Amazon, like a next packet, and also an adapter. So when I get the adapter, I'm probably gonna put the next one across the room right there. I'm probably just gonna put it right there, and then I want one for my makeup room and stuff, so I'm probably gonna buy next pocket, like I said, and just put that inside the makeup room. That can be straight around the makeup room, and I think it's easier for the adapter to work because it's just going around the room. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna leave this one under the coffee table because it's cute right there, you know. I'm gonna leave it and just, you know, yeah. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the LED lights and you think it's a good you know, way of spicing up your house. I will be listing the link down below from where I got it. It's Amazon, but I'll just I'll put the direct link down below. But yeah, thank you guys again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.